Yeah. So let's take a problem which says when when a certain number when a certain number is divided by 56, a remainder 29 is left. Okay, question is, what is the remainder when the number is divided by 8. How do we do this kind of problem? Let me see. It says when a certain number is divided by 56, a remainder 29 is left. What is the remainder when the number is divided by 8? In this kind of problem, you must observe, see the first line, that when a certain number is divided by 56, a remainder 29 is left. What if that number is divided by 8? You see that 56 is exactly divisible by 8, right? Exactly divisible by 8, because 8 sevens are 56. So a number which is divisible by 56 will also be divisible by 8. Also be divisible by 8. Clear? Because 56 is exactly divisible by 8. So whatever number I divide with 56, that will always be divisible by 8 too. Okay? Hence we can say the remainder we get after dividing 29 by 8 will also be the remainder when the original number is divided by 8. Let me show how it happens. That means if I divide 29 by 8, how much I am getting? 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 8 3s are 24 I take, subtract, I get 5 as remainder. So 5 is the answer. Why? Because I have said that the remainder we get after dividing 29 by 8 will also be the remainder when the original number is divided by 8, because the original number, whatever that may be, look at the question once again. It says when a certain number is divided by 56, a remainder of 29 is left. Okay? What is the remainder when the number is divided by 8? I have seen that if a number is divisible by 56, it is also divisible by 8. So, a number which has a remainder 29, let me come back here. As I said, the remainder we get after dividing 29 by 8 will also be remainder when the original number is divided by 8. Because suppose whatever that original number may be, when I divided it with 56, I got something quotient and I did this and I got 29 as remainder, right? And also if this number, this x, suppose this number is divisible by 56, this x number will also be divisible by 8, right? Whatever that may be, and there will become some remainder. If I divide this remainder 29 by 8, the remainder which I get, that means 5, is similar if I divide that unknown number by 8. Is that clear? I hope it's clear.